Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp and fish soup. Start by collecting shrimp, firm white fish, onion, garlic, celery, carrots, tomatoes, and a good seafood stock. Prepare your workspace so peeling, chopping, and measuring are quick and efficient. Make a small stock from fish bones or use bottled stock if short on time. Keep spices, salt, and lemon close for final seasoning and serve with crusty bread. Begin by gently simmering fish bones with onion, celery, and carrot to build a clear, flavorful broth. Avoid a rolling boil to keep the stock bright and clean. After 20 to 30 minutes, skim any foam and remove from heat. Strain through a fine sieve to capture the liquid and discard solids. Return the strained stock to the pot and keep it warm while you prepare the vegetables and seafood for the soup. Sauté onion, garlic, and tomato until fragrant to form a rich base, then add stock and simmer vegetables until tender. Gently add firm white fish first, cooking until it begins to flake, then add shrimp last so they stay tender and pink. Season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon to brighten flavors. Finish with fresh herbs and taste for balance before serving piping hot with your favorite sides.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.